So how do you craft a call to action that gets maximum results? Next on the Compel Media Moment. The call to action is at the end of every video. It's what you want your viewer to do.
At the minimum, you want the viewer to go to your website or give you a call.
But the call to action should be more than that.
I have one client who offered a free t-shirt on their website and got great results.
You can advertise big discounts for a short period of time, so call now. You can talk about how space is limited, so call now.
If you're not able to sell something right away, find a great way to generate a lead so you can follow up with them.
It all depends upon your audience and what is your product or service you're trying to sell.
If it's a big price tag, then you'll know that it'll take time for them to decide. So find ways to incentivize a call to action to gain a lead, such as offering a t-shirt.
Customers often buy on emotion, how it makes them feel. So use some of those words in your call to action. One thing you can do to learn more is to watch more television and see how other commercials are using call to actions, then build your own effective call to action. When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.